What's going on, and welcome back to Nell Detailing. Thanks for checking out the channel. And I'm bringing you guys another detailing video. Since the last one did pretty well, and to be fair, when I was watching it myself, I found it quite satisfying to watch. So in this one, we've got a nice little, well, it's not little, it's a fan. We got a nice foot transit custom, and for a deep detail, and a hand glaze wax. So let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just showing you around, obviously, the inside is the worst, as you can see here. The inside will require some amount of work. It's pretty dusty, but um, if I'm not mistaken, then the owner has a construction company or something, which is what the van was getting used for. Still getting used for that, so um, that's why it is the way it is. Okay, so starting off with the wheels as always. So of course, firstly we are going to rinse them down, and then we are going to apply our wheel cleaner, and then I will also apply APC mixed with snow foam and water onto the tires and the face of the wheel, just to help lift any of that dirt. And then we're going to agitate with a number of brushes, wheel brushes, wheel mitts, wash mitts, just to make sure that we get all of that dirt off the wheel. Right, okay, so as we are finishing off with the wheels, I was actually surprised how much baked on brake dust and just general overall dirt there was on the wheels. A lot more than I expected, but then again, as a working van. So anyway, now we are moving on to the pre-wash stage. So basically, I'm just applying my, I believe I was using the APX by Infinity Wax, It was definitely a pre-wash or a APC by Infinity Wax. It was one of them too, but anyway, great stuff, works amazingly. So yeah, let's apply our pre-wash, then rinse that off, and then we can get to the fun part, which is snow foam. Okay, so now it's time for our wash stage, which is the 2 bucket method. 1 bucket for the soapy water, which is obviously just car shampoo, and the second bucket is just clean water to rinse the wash mat. So we will be working our way from top to bottom, and yeah. So now it's the paint decontamination stage. So basically I will be just getting rid of any embedded contaminants that are deep in the paintwork, whereas that's tar spots or iron fallout. Right, okay, so now it's time to get started on the interior of this van. As you can see, we got some work for us to do. Okay, so after doing our vacuum stage just to get pick up any loose dirt, dust and anything else, we are now going on to our wet vac stage, and basically we are just doing the shampoo stage on the seats just to get rid of any stains and any dust before we move on to the plastics. Okay, so now it's time for the rubber flooring. So it has rubber mats and rubber flooring, like most vans. So, which I absolutely love because they are such a breeze to clean. Basically, what I'm doing is spraying all of the rubber bits with some APC mixed with water, using the drill brush to agitate any dirt, and then using my detailing brush, which you will see me use in just a minute here, to get into the little nicks and crannies, and then using my vacuum just to suck all of the dirt up. Right, okay, so now we are doing the final touches on the interior. We're just wiping down all of the plastics, and then we will be applying our glaze wax by hand to the paintwork. Um, so yeah, hopefully you are enjoying the video so far. If you are, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below as well. And please check out the links in the description. Please follow the Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and check out my website nelldetailing.co.uk. Right, okay, so because the weather wasn't too warm, well, obviously it wasn't wet either, there was no actual direct sunlight, which allowed me to cover a larger area at one time. So right, okay, so we are finishing off applying the glaze wax, but wait, don't go anywhere just yet. I'll be showing you guys the finished results after, and let me tell you what a transformation. But if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Nell Detailing, nelldetailing.co.uk for the website. Thank you for watching, and here is the before. Here is the before of the inside, and wow, what a transformation.